Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. It is so easy, so delicious, and tastes just like fair food. So you're going to start off with half an onion. I think I only used third of an onion, but you're going to chop it up in little small dices. And then you're also going to get a green bell pepper and dice them up really small also. And you're going to go ahead and take a pan of oil. I think I use vegetable oil, put a little bit in there. Let it get hot. Once it get hot, you want to start sauteing your onions and peppers. Also, if you want to add mushrooms, you can. I think this recipe would be really good with mushrooms. I did not. But like I said, I think it would be really good with mushrooms. So go ahead and saute these. I think I sauteed mine for about a good 7 minutes. After everything is sauteed, you're going to go ahead and take a pack of Steakums. I got these from Sam's. You can get them from Walmart, anywhere. It's just very thinly sliced steak made perfectly for Philly cheesesteak. So I go ahead and start breaking mine up just to make the cooking process a little bit easier. And I just use my utensil and try to break it up while I'm cooking. I did cook the steak for about a good like 12 to 13 minutes, stirring, every couple of minutes. And after about 12 to 13 minutes, it should look like this. Now that it's fully cooked, we can add in our seasoning. So I just sprinkled in garlic powder, chili powder, and my favorite, Sazón, because everything I cook has to have Sazón in it. So go ahead and sprinkle in a packet of Sazón and sprinkle in some salt and also some black pepper. Go ahead and mix it on up. Cook it for about 1 more minute, and then your Philly cheesesteak is done, and it is time to roll it up in them egg rolls. I just got these egg roll wrappers from Walmart. I found them in the salad section, but you're going to go ahead and lay it out flat and go ahead and add the Philly cheesesteak in the middle, just as you see me doing. And I went ahead and topped it with mozzarella cheese. Make sure you put as much cheese as you can. Puts a little bit more cheese than I did, but you want to make it very, very cheesy. So go ahead and add all that mozzarella cheese in there. And as you see, I have that little red cup on the side. That is just some water to help close the egg roll. So you're going to go ahead and take the two corners and put them together, and then grab that corner and also tuck in those two corners right there. And now we're basically just going to do a tuck and roll method. So you're just going to keep tucking and rolling, and try to do it as tight as you can. But also you don't want to rip the egg roll, because once you rip it, then that one's done. So once you get to the little corner, just dip your finger in that water, put it all over the corner, and then that's how you close it up. So you're going to do that to all your egg rolls, and then you're going to place them all together. Make sure you place them like that. You don't want the egg rolls on top of each other, because they will start to stick, and then when you pull them apart, they're going to rip. So just keep them like that, perfectly fine. And you're going to go ahead and take a hot pan of hot oil. Hot oil. It needs to be ready to fry. So hot oil. And I fried mine for about 4 to 5 minutes until it gets a golden brown color. Once you're done frying it, put it on a paper towel, let the grease drain, and I went ahead and let my mom try it first.
Ooh.
So there you have it, guys. Very easy Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.